Yo guys, welcome back with me Kenwilboy. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to trade gold in Fortuno markets for beginners. For those who don't know me, I'm Kenwilboy, the CMO of Fortuno markets, and I'm also a certified technical analyst with more than 10 years of experience in the financial market. Okay, let's begin. So how do you start trading gold in Fortuno markets or basically in any other broker? I don't really care, but yeah. What is gold first? Gold is the yellow metal, precious metal that has been used for trading or for store of value for thousands and thousands of years back then. And gold for today in today's world is a very popular asset for trading, for online trading or for futures trading in the futures market. So for gold, there are two distinct market for you to trade. First one is spot market or the physical gold. You know, with physical gold, it's just like if you go to a gold shop and buy some gold, 1 gram, 2 grams, 3 grams, any grams, or you buy some gold bar or jewelry like bracelet, necklace, that's physical gold. You can only profit if gold price are rising. So it's one way. Of course, you buy low, you sell high. That's gold spot market or physical gold. And the second one is the futures market. With futures market, it's a bit different. You can get profit from both the rising and falling prices. That's the difference. You can short sell. So you sell first before you buy. Not only buy and then sell high, but you can sell high, buy low. That's what we call short selling. And you can also use leverage. Leverage is like a loan given by your broker or your trading platform for you to trade. So you can trade bigger amounts than the money you have. So for example, if you use 1 to 100 leverage, it means that with just $100, you can trade $10,000 worth of gold. Amazing, right? You can get more profit, but remember, with more profit comes more risk, as always. And how about if using Fortuno markets? Fortuno markets offer leverage up to 500x, very, very big leverage. 1 to 500. So yeah, be careful with that. But you can also earn a lot of profit with that. So with just $100, you can trade $50,000 worth of gold. Insane. That's insane. Okay, so yeah. How about this is also another question. When should we trade? That's also another question I get asked a lot. Well, it really depends on the currency or the assets you're trading. But for this video, it's for gold. Gold is the most active during the New York session. Maybe London also a bit active, but during the New York session, it's the most active for gold. So I would recommend you to trade during the New York session. If you don't know right now it's what session, what time is this session, what time is that, you can search on Google or go to TradingView. It's free trading tools for charting or analyzing, for drawing lines and everything, technical analysis. You go to indicators and you just type on sessions. Any indicators is good, but I choose the Lux Algo, this one. I'm not being paid. See? You can use this indicator to know what time is which session, and right now, which session are we currently in? Like this, now, when the time this video is recorded, we are currently in London session. So it's not yet the most optimum time for your trading gold, but yeah, London is a bit okay. For gold, usually it moves quite aggressively during the London and New York session. But during the Asian session, like the Tokyo and Sydney, they move less. The movement is less. There is less liquidity, less volatility, less volume. Well, with higher liquidity, the benefit of you trading during the high liquidity session is you get better spread and better trading fees. Almost. Well, if you use Fortuno markets, it's almost zero fees if you trade during the right session. Like if you trade gold during New York, London session, the spread is so low, you can basically ignore it. That's my opinion. Yeah, basically ignore it. It's so low. Lowest in the world. Come on, man. So yeah, and also, this is also another question. Where should we trade? As always, I'm always using Fortuno markets. I think Fortuno markets is currently the best broker in the world. They have very low fees. Like the spreads are almost zero. and you don't pay any more commission, zero swaps or overnight fees, so you can hold your position for days or weeks or months, and you don't have to pay a dime for holding your position. It's insane, very good. Fees wise, Fortuno is one of the best. For fund security, of course, Fortuno is a solid and credible company. We've been operating in more than 20 countries right now, and if you search on Google, YouTube, TikTok, all the social media, thousands and thousands of traders are using our platform, so your money is safe with Fortuno Markets, no worry. And okay, this is also another question I get asked a lot. Which strategy should we use? Which indicator should we use? Okay, so there is actually a lot of strategy out there, thousands, maybe millions of strategies out there. Well, every strategies have their own pros and cons. Like every strategy must have weaknesses. It's impossible for a strategy to never lose, to always win 100%. It's impossible. Well, if someone is telling you that their trading strategy, their trading signals or methods or indicators, whatever, bots, is always winning and never lose, there's only two possibilities. One, they are beginners. They have, of course, when you're only trading for 1 or 2 days or a couple of days, you can get 100% accuracy. But when you have been in the market for long enough, you would know that losses is part of the game. You just can't avoid that. But as long as you get more profit than losses, no problem. You can deal with that. You're still growing. You're still gaining from trading. No problem. And second possibility, they're straight up lying. So be careful with that. A lot of people lie on social media. Be careful. If you still want some strategies from me, okay, I will give you one. This strategy has been used by thousands of traders in the world and has been used for tens of years, maybe hundreds of years, and it's still working up till now. This strategy is called support and resistance. So if you don't know what is support and resistance, support is basically an imaginary floor where prices tends to bounce upward when it touches the support or tests the support level, and resistance is basically an imaginary ceiling. So the prices tends to bounce downward when it touches the resistance, because it's an imaginary ceiling in a given period. So how do you use it? Here, first you need to find the strong resistance or support area. So I think this is a strong support or resistance level here. Why? Because this level has been tested for a couple of times. See, this is 1, 2, 3, and 4 times, has been tested four times. So if you see here, this one is most likely it will bounce up because right now it's testing the support, and the support is valid. It's quite valid. It has been tested 4 times, and yeah, so if I'm looking at this, it most likely will bounce upward, the price. See, like this, up. Yeah, so that's how you use support and resistance. But if support level or resistance level is broken, the price usually will move in that direction very aggressively. So if a support is broken, it will move down aggressively. If a resistance level is broken, usually the price would go up aggressively. So yeah, that's how you use support and resistance. This is a very basic one, very easy to learn, but it's always very effective. I use it up till now for more than 10 years. So yeah, this is the strategy I like to use the most. If you want to use it, please use it. Very good. And if you want to start trading, check the link in my description for Fortuno Markets. If you want our signals from Fortuno's team, check also the link in description. We give good signals. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and peace out.